today's grocery haul is all about getting ready for fall. So we've got a lot of different fall staples. We've got some things that I normally buy that Brad and I just like to keep stocked in our pantries and in our fridge. We've got a combination of fresh produce and also some kind of fun and cheap meal, snacky type things that we always love to look for when we go shopping at Costco. I'm gonna show you guys the grand total at the very end of the video, so make sure you watch right until the very end, and let's get into this epic Costco haul. We got some bananas, very simple staple we always keep in our house for all sorts of things like smoothies and banana bread. We also are trying out some curcumin supplements. So these are mostly for little old Brad, for his poor little old man joints, because he's getting old and and his foot is still really sore from when he injured it from aggressively shopping at Costco a few videos ago, which you can check out here. So that's why we're gonna try them, hopefully get his foot feeling a little better, reduce some inflammation. Got a big bag of cashews. I always get cashews when I shop at Costco because they're the best deal around. We love to make noodle dishes like cold noodle salads and just basic ramen bowls. So we always get these brown rice and millet ramen noodles at Costco because they come in a huge bag and they're full of protein and they're just so good. I use ground flaxseed a lot in my baking because I use them to mostly make flax eggs, but I also put them in my smoothies. So it's just a good idea for us to always get a big bag of them. We got a big old bag of bell peppers. This hummus right here is so good. We actually have bought it, I think maybe once before, as we hadn't tried it in a while, and it just turns out that we love it. So we always get this 2-pack now of hummus. We try to get avocados when we go to Costco because we always find they're the biggest variety around, and they're a pretty good deal. The prices of avocados have gone up like everywhere, but Costco's kind of remained consistently a good deal. We got a jar of pickled beets. We love putting these on our burgers and hot dogs. They just add like the nicest, tangiest, sweet flavor. And we also got a triple pack of this extra firm organic tofu. We always have tofu in the house because it's just a good source of plant-based protein. And we got these 2 honkin' butternut squashes. I am so happy that Costco starts to get all sorts of like root veggies in these big bags available this time of year. So I had to jump on the butternut squashes and they were a really good deal. We also got a big bottle of avocado oil as I had no more cooking oil in the house, so I figured I'd get some. We got some baby spinach and arugula for salads and smoothies and Buddha bowls. We got a big bag of, I think, yellow potatoes. Love making them in like soups and stews and casseroles, and I know it's like a huge bag of potatoes and like what are 2 people gonna do with all these potatoes? That is a great question. I hope I can get through them in like the next few weeks. I restocked on some apple cider vinegar, and we got some Bullseye barbecue sauce. We got a big 2-pack because we love barbecued soy curls. We recently started buying this ethical bean coffee at Costco as well. Now we're not like, I wouldn't say we're coffee connoisseurs in any way, but we recently tried this and it is so good. We really have been enjoying it, so I figured we would stock up again on this stuff. It doesn't make me super jittery, which I really like. I don't know about you, but if you shop at Costco, you probably notice that like every few weeks they always bring in some sort of like new chip or crispy thing, and so these are the first time we've seen these garden salsa tortilla chips by Que Pasa, and they are vegan, which is so awesome because sometimes they bring in these new flavors that have milk powder in them, which is so frustrating. So we're really excited to try these ones out. And we restocked on some of our veggies. Like we got some bagged broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Really excited for the Brussels sprouts to make like air fried maple garlic sprouts. They're gonna be so good. And we got a big bag of sweet onions. Again, I don't know how I'm gonna get through all these onions. I think I may have overdone it on the onions, but I'm gonna probably pickle some of them and use them in all sorts of soups and stews and chilies. It's gonna be good. We got a big bag of apples and we got a big bag of chips. Yes, another bag of chips, but again, we saw them for the first time and they looked really good and they're vegan and gluten-free, and we love onion flavored things, so we figured we'd give them a try. Now this next item isn't technically a grocery item, but I needed them and I saw them and so I got them. We got some oven mitts because mine are awful. They burn my hands every time I pull something out of the oven. I can only use them for like a grand total of 6 seconds before my hands are on fire. So hopefully these ones are going to be good. There are always some frozen things that we get to when we shop at Costco, so we restocked on some frozen pineapple, which we mostly use in our morning green smoothies. And then we got some Cavendish hash browns. Oh, I say hash browns weird. Brad says that I say hash browns weird. Hash browns. Hash browns. We usually actually buy French fries from Costco, but we've kind of been on a bit of a French fry bender these last few months, so we're taking a break from French fries, but now we got hash browns, so I don't really know if that helps. So the grand total for this Costco grocery haul, vegan and gluten-free, was $307 Canadian or $228 US. It's a lot. We did a big shop today, so let us know what you think of that in the comments below. How much do you typically spend on a Costco haul? I would love to know. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below if you're not already. I will see you in another video. Bye!